WarsawJS.
Mikhail Korolev, welcome to the stage.
Awesome. Thank you. Can you hear me? Good? All is well? Okay, thank you so much for having me here. First of all, I have two, maybe three questions before we start. Do we have anyone here who works at Google in Google Chrome extension team? Okay, no one? Very good. Any Star Wars fans here? Okay, awesome. So my talk is a bit, okay, don't have much time, so let's go. This is my name. I don't have a picture, it's very scuffed. We are running out of time. Okay, I like to build silly things. So this is my website. It's a terminal. And when the web codec API came out, I made the smallest video player that converts in real time. It plays your video in the favicon. And also, my first Arduino project is connecting my table to the debugger. Okay. No time for clapping. No time for clapping. Okay, does anyone know what all of those things have in common? Java? Very close, but not quite. No? Okay, all of those things run JavaScript, believe it or not. So yes, we send JavaScript to space, and yes, there's a fridge with a browser, and yes, there's a browser for Sega Dreamcast, and it runs JavaScript. Anyway, so this guy, Gordon Williams, in 2012, he thought like, oh, there is this project, small hobby project called Arduino, and it made a big impact on hobby microcontroller development. And what if I make a board on SMT32, I think it is, microcontroller, and put a JavaScript interpreter inside? That's what he did. No one stopped him. And we have this board in 2012. It was born. And yeah, it works. There is a JavaScript interpreter, not just, so it's not something that compiles to the bytecode. It's actually running on this very chip. After that, he made, okay, let's run this on a smartwatch that I found on AliExpress. And after that, he released the second version of the same thing, which is what I have on my hand right now. And you can, yes, you can change everything that's in there. Everything is running on JavaScript, and it's awesome. So long story short, I wanted to build something very like scuffed, small, funny demo for this. So my idea was like, oh, imagine it's me browsing my favorite website, and I see an annoying advertisement that I really hate. So what I would do, I would take my hand, kind of like swipe it, and then the advertisement would fly off the screen. That's what I wanted to do. So you get the idea. Anyway, so yeah, in order to do this, we need three things. We need access to Bluetooth Low Energy API. We need access to DOM. And we need a persistent connection so I don't have to constantly reconnect it. And remember, this scheme is very important for the entire, anyway, you memorized it? Memorized it? Okay, just kidding, I have a simpler version. Anyway, this is the very basic anatomy of Chrome extension. We have content script that can talk to the web page. We have pop-up script, and the background script that maintains the persistent whatever. So all they talk with some kind of messaging interface. In the content script, they can have access to DOM. We can have persistent connection and background, but what about Bluetooth? Sadly, Google Chrome team doesn't really want us to have fun, so they have revoked. They used to have a web Bluetooth access in something that was called Chrome Apps or something like this, kind of like a web app platform for Chromebooks originally, but it was killed in June 2022. So, oh, okay, no time. So let's do it. Anyway, do I really even need to demo the code at this point? Yeah. Let's just don't.
Go for it.
Okay, very stressful. Okay, escape, boom, where is it? Okay, WarsawJS, extensions, refresh the page. Oh, oof, very close. Okay, very simple thing. That's what I do is, oh, I didn't. Ooh, very stressful. I'm so sorry.
Go for it.
Okay. There it is. So, it should work now. Okay, so you can see the elements, the DOM elements that they hover over. They're very scared for their life. And this is like the money shot. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you can do it anywhere with advertisements. With advertisements, especially satisfying. Anyway, thank you. Oh, okay, yeah. This is how I would solve the persistent connection problem. I didn't have the time to talk about this, but you can do it with Chrome DevTools protocol. And that's my contact stuff if you want. Thank you. Whew, very stressful.
Michał, way to go. That was worth the wait.